What's up, everybody? It's your girl Evie Joe. Gonna show you guys how I did this pearl two-piece from start to finish. As you saw, that was the before. This is the after. If you like this two-piece, please continue to watch. Okay, so the first thing I did was mark a spot where I wanted to cut my skirt, and I wanted it just below the butt. So I just marked a piece while it was on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut where that mark was straight across the skirt. Okay, so I took that bottom half and turned it into a top and headband, as you can see here. On this part, I'm just cleaning up the bottom of the skirt. This is sweater material, so you guys be careful when you're cutting this to make sure that it doesn't unravel. If it is unraveling, then you would need to either sew a piece of fabric or glue the bottom so that it doesn't come apart. To glue the pearls on, you just need a pack of pearls. I got mine from Walmart. It was a 325 pack. I think it's roughly $5–6 for the pack. Then I got E6000 glue, and E6000 glue is about $3–4 at Walmart. So you just need these two items. The first thing you want to do is design where you're going to put your pearls before you actually glue them on, just to eliminate mistakes. Because once you put this glue on, it's not easily coming off. So just dry place where you want to put your pearls before you actually glue them on. I did do this thing at the bottom so that we can keep from the bottom unraveling, since I wasn't sewing or gluing the bottom. Only thing I glued was like the back, but at the front I didn't do anything to it. That's why I did these pearls along the bottom. After you dry place where you want your pearls, just go ahead and glue them down with the E6000 glue. Be careful not to move around the pearls too much while you're gluing them down. Just set them down in one place, because if they happen to roll, then the glue does leave a stain. So just make sure that you place the pearl down and leave it there. Don't touch it. Alright, so this glue doesn't take much to dry. So after you're finished gluing down all of your pearls, just leave the skirt alone for maybe about 15 minutes, and then it should be completely dry. And then you just move on to the top. For the top, I did go ahead and just repeat the same exact design that I did for the bottom. Of course, it doesn't have to be exact, but I just pretty much replicated what I did for the bottom of the skirt so that it can look like one cohesive piece. Same exact thing applies for the top. Once you finish gluing down all your pearls on the top, leave it be for about 15 minutes, and then it's all complete and ready to wear. Okay, so that's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Come back again.